So we have the new Model Y with the same old problem. Stay tuned as I fix it. So as you can see, we've got a brand new 2025 Tesla Model Y Juniper. This one is a rear-wheel drive in the workshop, and I've got the suspension off again. That is because despite rumours that it was going to be better, we've got the same old kit with the same old problem. It's a bit too stiff. So over here, as always, we've got a solution from KW. This looks slightly different on account of the car being rear-wheel drive, but again, full KW comfort leveling kit. So it has shock adjustment, rider height adjustment, and all the usual KW goodness. So corrosion resistant stainless steel bodies, nice yellow purple colouring, everything that we need to make this car ride the way it should out on the road. So this car's come a long way. It's come down from up the country this morning. So hopefully it's going to be worth a visit. We're pretty certain that it will be, as is always the case with the KW. Yeah, that pretty much covers it off. So I'm going to get it all hooked up on the car. Like I say, it's rear-wheel drive, so these fronts are different compared to what you might have seen before. It's going to work in exactly the same way. So yeah, all that's left is for me to get this new kit on the car, get the ride height dialed in, and do our usual alignment at the end. And then, yeah, take it for a road test, make sure we've done our job right. KW have done theirs. Stay tuned. It's the end of the day here now with this Model Y, and it's been through the workshop, as you've seen from the video probably. Full installation, road test, alignment with our normal little special sauce, bit of tweak to the settings, and a final road test again. And I'm pleased to report, exactly as expected, we've improved the ride comfort dramatically already from the outset, and this will bed in some more. I've only done a limited amount of mileage because there's a limited amount of charge left in this one. And we're down by about 5 mil in ride height, which again, by the time it's done a few more miles, I'd expect it to settle maybe another few, so potentially 10 mil lower. For those interested in going lower, you can. There is scope within the range for this kit, but this is as the customer requested, around the original ride height, slightly lower, just subtle. But yeah, so back to the intro of the video. Yes, it's still a problem. Yes, with the help of KW, we can fix it. So as always, coming up trumps KW Comfort Leveling Kit for the Tesla Model Y. Done and dusted. Rear-wheel drive Juniper, also possible. So yeah, that's all there is to say. If you're interested in this kit or any other product that we do, feel free to get in touch, either via emails or our website. Otherwise, until then, thanks very much for watching. Like, share, subscribe as always, greatly appreciated. And stay tuned for the next one. Goodbye.